Okay guys, so I was gifted this elastic band kit where you can make bracelets, hair accessories, keychains. So let's go ahead and get into them. Let's check her out. And you can purchase this kit from off of Amazon. I'll leave the link down below for you. And this comes with over 12,000 pieces. You have a little personal tray. That way you can sort out your colors and work on one project at a time. And you have this little mermaid tool here. It helps you add these bands onto the loops to help you create, whether it's a bracelet, a keychain, an ornament. You also have this tool here that helps you bring the band over each other. It also comes with these cute little keychain loops. And these little flower petals that you can put in between your bracelets or make ornaments. Okay, now let's see how many we have. 1, 2, 11, 12 different shades of purples, blues, greens, yellows, pinks. You even have an orange in here. And then best of all, you have a container that you can store it all in. You can keep your bands in there. You can keep your future completed projects in here. And it also comes with this little pamphlet that gives you ideas of different types of bracelets that you can make. So perfect. Let me go ahead and check out some of these, see which ones I want to make. Let's start off with the single, these two colors here. Okay, so here's the instruction for the single, and let's just go for it. See how long it takes me for my first one. Let's see. Okay, so we start off with the color crisscrossing it, and then we put another color right on top. Bring both sides of the bottom piece up over it. Okay, that was fairly easy. I'm already on step 4, and you just keep repeating those same steps. Right on top, bring it over, on top. I think it's easier for me to just use my fingers. Yeah. Okay, I think I'm ready to go ahead and end this off. And I got a little confused at one point, but I know what color is next because whatever color this is, it's the other color. So that's a way to keep track, because I said, baby, I might have to lay them out in order. But no, that's how you can tell for the single. Okay, here's the last one I will add on. And already we are 8 minutes in, and that's with me starting over. Oh, that's cute, and that was super fast. And then so just put one side over the other, and then boom, here. So for me, this is going on my hair. If this was going to be a bracelet, I would tie these two together. And here it is. This is a bracelet, super cute, but I want mine to go on my hair, so I'll just leave it straight like this. I'm so excited, it's so cute. Okay, one down, and that took 10 minutes with a little bit of user error. All right, I have some braids in. Perfect for me to go ahead and add in my little braided bracelet. I have a latch hook here, and this is the top portion of it. Remember, I tucked the bottom in, so I will just put this through my hair. Go into my hair, loop this on, pull it back through, and then just pull this right through that loop and there. Don't play with me. Okay, then I can flip my hair back over, and here it is, just kind of hidden in there but popping out at the same time. Real cute. Okay, what's next? Okay, so doing this double cross. This comes up, and then I crisscross the next color, then put another color on top, and then bring the second piece up. Then also bring up this bottom piece. Ooh, it's starting to take shape with just one color in the middle. I will use this for this step. Take both of these off. So then this just goes in between both of these. And then I loop one side over there. And then I can go ahead and tie this into a knot. And there's my bracelet. Ah! So this one, 12 minutes to make this bracelet alternate in these colors. I did mess up once and had to go back, but then I realized that I really didn't mess up. I just had to flip it over. So Here's a cute one with different shades of green. And what I like to do is take the ends and just kind of tuck it in between one of the other loops so that that part isn't sticking up. And there, it's like a regular bracelet. How adorable. Okay, so I made 3 bracelets because I was in my zone, baby, and just having so much fun making these, honestly. But for this purple bracelet, I have this charm. This actually came from an old necklace. It does have like this little jump ring here. And I have some jewelry pliers. I opened up the little jump ring. So taking it, add it right here, the little purple ring. Put one more over. And I'll just close this. How adorable. And let's slide her on. And here's the bracelet. Each time I did, I got a little better. Okay, so for the keychain, I want my keychain to look like this, but a different color. So we're just gonna do a single again. And I think I just wanna use the 2 pinks. Take a couple out here, find that easier. Oh, my tray. I wasn't even utilizing my tray. We have a tray for a reason. Okay, so for the keychain, I will use one of the little rings that they sent in the kit. How adorable is this pink and blue one? I will put you to the side in my little tray. So crisscross, one on top, bring it over, one on top, bring it over. So this one here is going to be a keychain. And pull one side over. And then just how I did this one, since this is going to be a hair piece, it can end like this if you're going to have it as a bracelet where you can tie it onto the other side, but I don't want this as a bracelet. So all I do is take this piece and just tuck it into the inside to just round off that tail. So there, like so. And then for my little hook, I'll just put it through both loops on the other side and add my cute little ring. And then I have a few more accessories over here to add to my keychain. So it's just a little hard. Can I put a little oomph in it? So I'll just add that on. But that's so cute. But I'm also going to add it to this plushie. I got this plushie from Hobby Lobby. So originally it came like this with the gold ring. But I will be using this silver ring here. So I'll just take it off of this gold one and put this silver one on. And then just go ahead and add this blue one onto the silver one. And there we have it. Here's our keychain. And if you ever want to switch it up, you can take this off and just loop it through to make it a bracelet. It doesn't matter. You can add a lot of these, like to just be here on your keychain. Super cute. And then because you have this ring here, all I have to do is just push it down. But yeah, really simple. You can still add this for a little more razzle dazzle on the keychains. Yeah, I love this little kit and how everything fits in here. I have that packed in all nice. I can add my other little projects in here. Put you in there. Oh, she might fit because this is domed. Okay, boom. Love it. Okay, so let's talk about all of the final projects. You have this one that I installed onto my hair. Like, I really love the 2 tones of the purples. And then second, we have my bracelet with a charm added. So cute. I tucked the ends on the back side of the bracelet as well. And then we also have my keychain. So cute. These are the final ones that I love and adore. But I also made 2 other bracelets. I have this really cute green one. And then I have this, add a little pop of lime green. And here's the 3 stacked together. So you choose. The options are endless.